We create ecosystem for restaurant to solve hunger problem in the world. Hello, I'm Siddharth Mondal, founder and CEO of KRDS Technology Private Limited. Our motivation and idea came from two incidents. First, one day we were taking lunch in a restaurant. There is a communication between restaurant owner and manager. Owner was scolding very badly to the manager because they didn't receive the raw material on time. Two waiters were absent on that day and their sale decreasing day by day. Incident 2. We were standing in a bus stop just beside a restaurant. One hungry beggar woman was asking for food to the host of that restaurant. Host didn't give the food and behaved very rudely to that woman and asked her to leave. Our leadership team. I'm Siddharth Mondal, founder and CEO. 6 years of experience in product development. I have conceptualized the idea of KRDS. Co-founder and CMO Pawnee K.
I'm Pawni Kshatriya, co-founder and CMO of KRDS. I had 8 years of experience in IT industry, now handling leads marketing and customer acquisition.
Expert in their field who vouch for us. Ecosystem for restaurant, very good idea by Trinadas. All-in-one solution for restaurant, Manoj Dolvi. Best scalable business idea by Ratnadeep Dutt. Best idea to use technology in restaurant, Chiranjit Haldar. Best in terms of product idea, Supratim Dwari. Our aim to create ecosystem for restaurant. 7 major problems a restaurant owner face to operate their restaurant. First, finding location to open new restaurant. Second, raw material supply, order manage like dine-in, pickup and home delivery, marketing of restaurant, manager and chef, interior design, and then legal and chartered accountant. Number of restaurants, pub and cafe in entire world is 15 million. Market opportunity per year 5 billion USD. After COVID, many new restaurants will open in residential place, C and other areas. We have done a survey and out of 199 restaurant owners said about these problems. World hunger problem is on rise. Around the world, 690 million people regularly go to bed hungry, according to a report from UN. And this figure will increase to 840 million people in 2030. We'll provide solution in finding location to open new restaurant, raw material supply, order manage, marketing, restaurant manage and save, interior, legal and chartered accountant team and feedback management. This business is all about local demand and local supply. Finding location to open new restaurant. We'll create mobile application like 99acre.com to find only new location to open a new restaurant. Raw material supply will provide high quality, fresh and affordable raw material that need a restaurant like grocery, vegetable, chicken, mutton, fish and other items. Order manage. We will provide mobile application and manpower to manage pickup, home delivery as well as dining. So in case of dining, customer they can place the order or bill payment by themselves. No need any waiter to provide menu card or take the order. Marketing. Nowadays, people are spending time on social media like Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. We will do marketing about restaurant food item on social media. Restaurant manager and chef. We will create mobile application like Naukri.com to find manager and chef and we will provide them training all year. God say that change is the only constant thing in this world. We will do interior change to the restaurant every 1 or 2 years. New look always give a better experience to the restaurant customer. Legal and chartered accountant team will provide legal and chartered accountant help for business registration, license, GST, etc. Feedback management. We will analyze all the Google Map, Facebook and social media feedback data and send a report to the owner about the positive and negative thing about restaurant. So how to solve hunger problem? First, we will create ecosystem for restaurant, like finding location to open new restaurant, raw material supply, order manage, marketing, restaurant manager and chef, interior, legal and chartered accountant team, and feedback. Then we will expand globally to reach hungry and needy people across the world. Then provide free food to hungry and needy people. Restaurant market opportunity. Now it's a 5 billion USD market opportunity and it will increase to 1.2 trillion USD in 2030. Now, restaurant industry market size, growth and competition. So it's a large market size and growth also very high, but market competition is small. In phase 1, proof of concept, we have implemented order manage, marketing, feedback management. We have on board 2 restaurants, one in Bangalore and one in Kolkata. According to Dodo Smokehouse owner feedback, using KRDS software application, it's very easy to manage order. It's increasing our revenue. According to Kebabi's owner feedback, all platform marketing services helped us to reach new customers. Beyond proof of concept, we will implement finding location to open new restaurant, raw material supply, manager and chef, interior, legal and chartered accountant team. Then we will expand globally. Future scope for food processing, food serve and home delivery. Future we will use robotics, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Go to market strategy, targeting restaurants, Google ads and 8B target accelerator ads for identifying qualified leads. Using Zomato restaurant details, we have communicated restaurants owner face-to-face. Affiliate market strategy, sponsored ad on affiliate platform to divert traffic to krdsrestaurant.com. Retargeting identified leads, cumulative tracking of website visits for remarketing, conversation through emailer and SMS campaigning. Competitive landscape. We have diversified solution range, like we will provide 8 solutions: finding location to open new restaurant, raw material supply, order manage, marketing, feedback manage, restaurant manager and chef, interior, legal and chartered accountant. Second, economical premium solution, premium quality solutions available at affordable cost. Risk and mitigants. Risk 1. Increasing competitive landscape. Established brands are going very fast with online delivery only. Mitigant. Diversified solution range. Established brands are currently focusing on food delivery only. We have diversified solutions range. Risk 2. Increasing cost of customer acquisition. Cost of customer acquisition increasing day by day. Mitigants. Digital marketing and face-to-face meeting. We'll do digital marketing and face-to-face communication with restaurant owner. Funding requirements. We need funding for marketing, technology and operation. 50% we will spend on marketing, 30% on technology and 20% on operation. Accelerator and incubator. We need accelerator and incubator support for accessing their ecosystem and mentoring support also. Please help and support us